I recommend downloading the resource file from the description below so you can practice along with me. In today's video, we are diving deep into Figma Auto Layout Advanced Setting, the game changer for effortless and scalable design. Select the frame, right-click, and add an auto layout. Go to the right-hand side, and here I will also add a stroke to it. You notice that the stroke is not showing up correctly. Now this is where the advanced settings come to handy. Select the auto layout. Go to this icon which says Auto Layout Settings, and here instead of Exclude, mention it Include in Layout. I want to overlap profile with each other. For that, I will select all the profile by pressing the Control key. Right, let's make sure all the profile are selected. Right-click and add an auto layout. I will use a negative spacing to overlap each other, so I will use -30 in this case. And now the magic is about to happen. So on the auto layout section, go on the settings. And here we have an option called canvas stacking. We want to stack it from last to top or first on top. I will use the first on top and I will align it right in the center. When you hover over or any text, you will see a line coming at the bottom. This is what we call as a baseline for any of the text. Let me bring both the layer one by one. So I will select this layer and bring it inside this frame. I will select this layer and this one also I will bring it inside the frame. I will select both of them, right-click and add an auto layout. Once it is added, I will align in the center by clicking on this icon which you see on the right-hand side of the panel. Now one thing if you notice, right? So this is what the baseline is. I want the star should get aligned with this baseline. And how this baseline is visible? So hover over it and press the Control key from the keyboard. You will see the baseline at that point in time. So what I will do, I will drag one of the line, which is a guideline, and put it just below this one. Now here is the magic happen. So if I select this auto layout, let me select this auto layout. Let's double check that auto layout is selected. I will go to this setting, which is called Advanced Setting, and here, Align Text Baseline. Instead of this one, Disable, I will make this one Enable. And all the stars are aligned with this line. You can double check. This is previous one, and this is the Enable one. A very powerful and saver when it comes to alignment.